An all-wheel drive Rav4 has a rear differential that's found between the rear wheels and is distinguished by a driveline providing input to the gear case with two drive axles coming out to drive the rear wheels. In this video I replaced the fluid in that by removing the drain plug and adding fluid to the fill hole on the opposite side. To start, I'm going to remove the fill plug with a 10mm hex bit socket. I'm going to tap it in there with a hammer to fully seat it and to keep myself from stripping out the plug. And I'll break it free. This will allow the gear case to vent while it's being drained. Now I'll remove the drain plug. Now as the fluid's being drained out, I'm going to clean off the drain and fill plug. The drain plug is magnetic, allowing you to check for chips or damage and to collect those as the gears wear in the rear differential. So I'm going to clean those up along with their crush washers and then install the crush washer on the drain plug and reinstall it before adding fluid. That requires 29 foot-pounds. I'm doing what I think feels like an equivalent to that. And I'm also using ADW90 standard gear oil on this vehicle. And then I'm going to pump the fluid in with a crappy pump bottle. And it wouldn't be a gear change for me without, leaking some fluid somewhere. I'm looking for half a quart is the specification this calls for, but really to the bottom of the fill plug or to the fill hole or just slightly below, you could reach in and touch with your pinky, will allow sufficient fluid to lubricate while not building up pressure as the fluid moves around and expands with heat. Next, I'm cleaning up the area with some cleaning solvent. This is brake parts cleaner, and just making sure I don't have a mess, kind of looking for leaks. Go take it for a drive, check for leaks again, and that's all there is to this service. Appreciate you watching. I hope you'll like and subscribe.